This 2020 Airstream Flying Cloud 28RBQ Queen is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Millstone Township, New Jersey, 08535 and is offered for sale by Colonial Airstream RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Airstream is 27 feet 11 inches in length and features a Sandpiper UL, landmark interior, sleep 6, refrigerator, DVD player, leveling jacks, spare tire kit, TV, awning, air conditioning, external shower, LP detector, oven, and 39 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Airstream Flying Cloud 28RBQ Queen is 5,979 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.